So I was editing some videos here in Wondershare Filmora, and it has a wonderful feature. If you pay for it, if you go for the paid version, it has a feature of photo synchronization. So you might have two different audio tracks, and what it does is it automatically aligns them, so you don't have to bring them over on top of each other and find a point where they actually start from. So instead of that, what you just do is you select both of these, double click on it, and if you go over here, there's an option of auto synchronization. Just observe the timeline over here. So now the audios are matched.
What's up, everyone? So, if you follow me,
So it's two different audios and it's matched, as you can see.
you might know that I bought this Insta 360 Go 3.
So this is actually quite convenient. If you ever thought about wasting a lot of time on editing videos where you have to match different tracks, well, this feature can come in handy for you. I was actually taking some benefit from it, so I thought I would share it with you guys as well. Have a very good day. Right now on the screen, there will be two videos that might be relevant to your interests. So we'll see each other soon.